Alright, since we're here, we're going to tackle this wheel bearing. When you do these wheel bearings, you always want to check these too. They're knowing they're always gone. It feels like a wheel bearing when you check it, but you kind of got to put your finger in there and move it. You'll be able to tell when it's the bearing. It's like bent. You know what I'm saying? That part of the things that covering the holes, like this was pretty loosen up of it. Moving now, anyways. I had to tighten that up to get it. Fuck, that happens. That was good. Yes, these work quick at forgetting them out when they're stubborn. You can, well, they work good all the time, but just use it as a lever and just bite it lightly so it doesn't cut it off. Now you can see half the holes freaking blocked. This that one was a 30 mil. $17 mil here and here. 14's on this side. And then we got this. Okay, now we got this big snap ring in here. Just gonna hit this with the wire wheel to get the heavy grease off. I'm just going to give that a tap and get this moving that far. Yeah, these bearings, it's been a few years since seasons were done, I think, but they go all the time. There's no seals, right? That's just a regular seal like in any other bearing. that would have a wheel seal beyond it. And this clip groove, clean in here a little bit with shit. You don't want to sand the hell out of these or anything, just make sure it's clean. These do eventually wear out too, and the bearing just won't be tight in there no matter what you do. So I'm just going to warm it up here a little while. Yep, you want to heat it up long enough. It just gets stuck if you only heat it halfway. Fucked it. We got a new clip here too. So once that went straight, just clip. Yeah, like I was barely tapping on that. Like if you didn't use the heat, you have to give her a good push with a presser. This is good to give that a nice tap to make sure it went in. People put extra grease in here. We just cleaned it. Seen it go anywhere. It protects the bearing, but it don't. What it does is that's a rear wheel bearing on the Yamaha. All grass. More or less the same thing on the front. Just two bearings and the dirt and shit gets in there and polishes everything up, and that gets in behind the seal and wrecks it. Anyways, they're marked upside, side's marked inside, and the grease nipples go out is the easiest thing. And just the reverse, guys, it's 17s, 14s, 30 to 30 mil. Put a new cotter pin in, of course.